Hello, besties. It's your girl Joy. It's another beautiful day. How are you guys doing? I know it's been a while. I've gone for a while, but trust me, I'm back. Okay. So on today's video is going to be a Shein Black Friday unboxing. I know it's been a while. I've actually been minding my business. Trust me, I've been minding my business. Then Shane kept sending me this what was it called, the notification, sending me notifications. So I was like, okay, let me check out what Shein had. Before you know what, I went crazy. So though I didn't get much things, just few things from the Black Friday, the prices were affordable, and I just choose to pick up one or two things. So guys, let's get straight into the video. So I'll be starting with this. Comes packet like this, no name. So it's actually a graphic tee. Comes like so. It's written Los Angeles 23. So this one I got it in a large. Next, I got this pants. So cute. I also got this in a large. Okay. So I'm not going to be trying any of them. Maybe some other time I'll do a video where I'll be trying them on. Okay. So this one is a two-piece set. Comes like so cute. Comes with this beautiful design on the down part of the leg. So cute. Wow, the blouse too. So this one will be cute for summer things. Next. This beautiful blouse. Yeah, it's button up. Yeah, the button is detachable. Comes with collar, long sleeve, beautiful crop top. So okay guys, next I got this two-piece set. Comes like so cute. Comes with a golden waistband. Comes with a cargo pocket. The material is stretchy, so beautiful. And the blouse comes like so, long sleeve. It's got button. I think it's got a V neck. And I think this will be showing cleavage. So maybe when I do other video, I'll show you the clothes on. So I think it will be showing a little bit of cleavage. So cute. I think I got everything. Yeah, everything should be in large. Next. What was this? I can't remember ordering any dress, but it's a dress. I think I was just picking all these things. I wasn't even taking note of what I was picking. I saw them very cheap and I just started pin. So this comes like so. It's got a cutout on the neck, no, on the chest, sorry. It's got side slits with some ruching design. It's a maiden dress, so cute. Next, Next. Okay, this one is a trench coat, like so. Comes double-breasted. It doesn't have pockets. No pockets. So next. It's another two-piece set. The trouser looks short, but when I try them on, I will know. So it comes with a California 23 also. It's got pockets. Nice. Then the blouse. All the blouses I got are crop. It's crop. California 23 also. I got this in large. I think I went a little bit crazy. Let's see what more we'll have. How does this one open? Okay. What's this? What's this one? Okay. What was this? This one is a jumper. What was this? Hoodie. Nice. White. And says, so what? Anyway, I can't wait to style all these outfits. Can see the sleeves are long. So cute. Okay, another dress. Oh my days. How does this one goes? Okay, like so. Brown skull ruching by the side. I don't understand. Okay, this is the front. No. Anyways, when I try them on, I will understand it because I don't even understand what the dress looks like right now. So what's this? What's this? Another dress. Is symmetrical hand. Okay. Like so. Okay. Have two more to go. What's this? I don't know what these are. Okay, stockings. I got me some stockings for me and the girls. So how many stockings are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 whites. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means 16 in total. Okay. Stockings. Next and last but not the least, if I'm not mistaken, I think something is left out. Something is left out. I think so. Okay. Okay. This one is a cardigan, right? A blouse with triple hearts. Wow, so cute. Triple hearts. So guys, this is all for today's video. I hope you enjoy watching today's video. In my next video, I'll be doing a styling video. So if you enjoyed this video, please comment down below. Feel free to share. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.